how to collab post on Instagram. So today's video is very easy and easy to follow. For more videos like this, subscribe and click that notification bell button on for more updates like this. So first, we'll head on to Instagram. Once we are on Instagram, just like another post, click on the plus icon and then choose the desired photo that you want to post. So I will be choosing this one. Just click on next, and once you decide what to choose here, just click on next again, and in here we will be going to tag people. When we are in the tag people, go to invite collaborator and then search for the friend that you want to collab with in this post. So I will choose this friend, and just like that, you can click on the check mark, and if you have nothing to put, just like captions, just click on finish. And as you can see here that the post is finishing up, and there you go. And as you can see here that the friend is invited for a collaboration. So once your friend will be accepted, it will look like this. You could see both of your name on top. So I hope you like this video and see you on the next one.